joining us for the very first time, you are very much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video of a new recipe, you are notified of the same. Please, 90% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed, so kindly help us grow and subscribe. So today we are going to be preparing pawpaw juice. Let's get started. So you're going to be using your pawpaw here and sugar. I'm going to use this sugar just to sweeten up things a little bit because I'm using some little bit of water. So I've already removed the seeds. So take your pawpaw and put it in the blender like that. And then take your sugar, add it's 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then add a half glass of water. And then now we're going to blend all this mixture. So my juice is ready and it is thick just like I wanted it. So the thickness depends on you. You can add more water if you want. You can see it is thick now. Yeah. And that is how I prepared my pawpaw juice.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's